Welcome to the induction video for GEDA Installation Designer, a software tool for anchor force and ground pressure calculation of GEDA transport platforms and elevators. To generate a new project, push the button Create a new project. A pop-up follows and you can implement the project name, the customer, and the project description. Click button Next. Select a product type. We have a two-mast system. Click Next. Select the product 1500 ZZP. Click Save. Select the platform. In the upper area we have listed all platform types for the Uni-X-mast system, and in the lower part we have listed all platform types for the Unimast system. Select platform type A, Uni-X-mast system. Click Save. The follow-up screen shows the anchor layout. The vertical mast layout starts with distance Z, the mast override of 2 meters. Distances G3, G2 and G1 are the distances of the topmost tie-ins 1, 2, 3 and 4. In ideal, they are in the same distance, so we implement 10 meters for G3, 10 meters for G2, and also 10 meters for G1. Parameter E shows the distance from the base of the mast to the first tie-in. We remain on the pre-selected 6 meters. H for height of the mast is 80 meters. The next parameter is for the wind region. If the elevator is installed inside the building, then select No Wind. If the elevator is installed outside the building, then select your wind zone. If you don't know the wind zone, press the Information button. Check your location based on the wind map. Press Escape to come back and select your wind zone. AB for Munich. The wind zone results a wind impact pressure, but you can also adjust this parameter manually. Next parameter is assembly blank. Yes, we have an assembly blank. The ground condition is 4 possible choices. Choose concrete. Now we start with a horizontal mast layout. There are 2 possibilities. First is by the distances A, B and C. Alternative, you can click to implement a coordinate system with a 0 in the middle of the mast. We start with the distances A, B and C. To get more information about the distances, press the left info button and check the distances A, B and C. Alternative, click the info button for the coordinate system with a 0 in the middle of the mast. We start with an easy mast layout. 2 meters for A, 2 meters for B, and a 0 value for Z. The same procedure on the right side. 2 meters for A, 2 meters for B, and a 0 for Z. Scroll down to see the current geometric layout. All the anchor pipes, the resulting forces, and the stiffener pipes on each side. If you change one parameter in the horizontal cell, then it gets directly updated to the new scheme. You get new forces and you can see both stiffener pipes on the left side. We go back to 2 meters for a synchrone layout. All parameters are done now, so we can generate the standard PDF printout. Click this button. On the first page of the printout, you can see the hoist details, the vertical installation details, and the wind forces. On the second page, you can see the horizontal installation details and the maximum forces that appear to the building. All of the 4 maximum forces are shown in a different color. This enables to indicate the correspondent force on the next page in the diagram. You can see again the anchor pipes, the resulting forces, and the stiffener pipes.